The device we're looking at today stays true to its Latitude name and is meant to deliver the perfect business experience. It's targeted at people whose second wife/husband is their job. Dell promises security and reliability with the Latitude 5590 with their enhanced encryption and claims the device to be MIL-STD810G compliant. They have also equipped the notebook with the latest and greatest ultra-low voltage chip from Intel, the Core i7-8650U, which offers slightly higher base and turbo clocks, 1.9 GHz up from 1.8 GHz on the i7-8550U base and 4.2 GHz up from the 4.0 GHz turbo speeds. The Latitude series are also blessed with the Dell docking support, which makes expanding your work on more than one screen easy and neat. In addition to that, the Latitude 5590 has an SSD option and 8 GB of DDR4 2400 MHz RAM in its sleeve, as well as a full HD IPS screen. As always, we shall review the performance and features of this device and check if it justifies the premium price point and how it fares against the vast competition in this branch. The Latitude 5590 is powered by a choice of Intel 7th and 8th generation processors. Our test device is equipped with an Intel Core i5-8650U processor, 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD, the combination of which offers plenty of power and speedy performance. The configuration is complemented by a matte IPS display, all of which is currently available online at €1,100, $1,355. There are more powerful and equally more expensive configurations available, such as the €2,000, $2,460 model that is equipped with an Intel Core i7-8650U processor and 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. The all-black case looks premium, even though we would have preferred a stronger base plate. We can visibly twist it with little effort and it yields in the middle when we apply pressure with our fingers. Thankfully, the casing around the display is more robust, although the display is visibly affected when we applied pressure to the display case. Despite this lack of rigidity, the case is certified to the U.S. military standard MIL-STD810G, which means that the Latitude 5590 should easily withstand daily work routine. The two display hinges work well and open to 180 degrees. The display cannot be opened one-handed because of the low counterweight of the base. The Latitude 5590 is well equipped in terms of I/O. There are 3 USB 3.1 Type-A ports, a USB Type-C that supports DisplayPort output, an SD card reader, a 3.5mm jack, and an RJ45 Ethernet port. We appreciate Dell's inclusion of HDMI and VGA ports, the latter of which we hope Dell will continue to include in its business laptops. Many projectors still only have a VGA connection, and its inclusion on the Latitude 5590 means that we do not have to carry around an adapter.